Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new default app. In my case, Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click on Home button. Now access device's settings. Then you need to scroll down and tap on Apps section over here. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections over here. I wish to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, tap on my Opera Mini to set it up, and click on Debug button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!